Couple of drinks in. Look at there. We got liquor flowing. Look at there. Liquor flowing. Hey guys. It's the day after the party. Oh my god. Well, no, this is actually 2 days after the party now because I did not film anything yesterday. Yesterday was the day after the party. I was still shaky. I had the shakes. And that's only because I was still drunk all day. Slept all day. I just talked to my friend who gave the party. And she's still not feeling good. She said she'll never drink again. I won't say that, but I won't drink that much again. But we had such a good time. And a lot of the stuff I had to cut out because I forgot we had music. There's a lot of F-bombs going around, a bunch of women jokes going on. So I cut a lot of it out, but you guys got the gist of it. As the night went on, I was hammered. I was hammered. And when we got in the tent, that was funny too because it was probably 30 minutes in that tent saying goodnight, talking, so even that was funny, but some of the stuff I don't remember. Then I have a after party scar. Let me show you. You guys see that? I sliced my arm, and I did it on the shed outside. I was running from back and forth, and one of the times I guess I was a little tipsy and ran right into the shed, sliced my arm, didn't even know I had done it, and somebody at the party said, "What happened to your arm?" And I was like, "Oh, I hit the shed," but I didn't know. I thought it was just red. It's actually it looks bad though. I mean, I got scared because I thought, man, I had my tetanus shot, but it's getting better now. It's drying up. It was real wet yesterday and was bothering me. But today, I feel much better. I went over yesterday after I took a nap and got all my stuff, my tent and tables and stuff, table and stuff like that. And she told me she slept from 4 p.m. till 8 a.m. today. And she said, this is the one who hosted the party, and she told me she was still out of it, you know, and she even today she said she in her pajamas, she not doing nothing. I said, well, I got my energy back a little bit. It's too hot to walk outside, and I was going to do some exercise inside, but I said instead I'll just clean up and get that stuff out of the way. I'm washing clothes and everything. And because it's hot, I'm burning up right now. Apparently we're going to be like in the 90s. 90s this week. And I'm not really looking forward to it, but hey, got to do what we got to do, deal with this weather. And you know what? I'm going to take you guys outside to show you something, because somebody had mentioned that leaves are falling off of the trees already. This is August. Some of the tree, and I noticed it, some of the tree leaves are turning for fall. Now, normally we don't get that until October, late September, early October. We're in the middle of August, and I'll take you guys out in a little bit and show you some of the stuff that's outside. Okay, so I'm gonna finish drinking my coffee. Well, that's what I got up here to do, fold up some clothes. And then we'll go outside. don't know if you guys, never mind. Still booming. We still got 2 tents left over there. That's the aftermath. Brought mine in and put them away. Look at my plant. This is budding nuggets. I'm gonna find out about that. Little petunias. They're growing. My neighbor told me to pull the bad ones off and they'll grow back, and they did. Look at how nice that looks. Those are really growing. What is that? Oops. I'm going to put my egg noodles into the boiling water. As you see, I am just eye measuring. Almost done. Put in some of these mixed vegetables. Not too many. See how I just make up stuff? And let that cook until the vegetables are done. Then the noodles will be done with the vegetables. I heard that using this crushed pepper burns a lot of calories. So guess what? We're going to put a little crushed pepper in there. I've been eating this crushed pepper with everything. Crushed pepper, cayenne pepper. Crushed peppers, cayenne peppers. I'm going to just put some seasonings in here because you know, got to have my seasonings. Alrighty, I drained the water out of there. Now I'll put my tuna in here. And then I'm going to mix it up. And that's my meal. Now, of course, you can put whatever you want on it. And since I have a little cheddar cheese over here, I'm going to put some on it. Why not? Right? You make what you want and eat what you like. And there we have it. So as you guys see, I will just make up a dish for no reason other than what I won't have a taste for. I taste the peppers, I taste the vegetables, taste the cheese, and taste the tuna. But this is just something quick and easy to satisfy my hunger. Easy to make. Put in it what you want. And that's how you cook. You make up meals. If there's something you like, put it together. Who's to say what somebody else likes? You know? Because I do. I love egg noodles. I love tuna. And I love vegetables. And I love cheese. So why not put them all together? Like I just did. And there you have it. A nice, delicious meal. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. And that's what I did today. Now I'm going to chill out and watch TV. So I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Keep subscribing, keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting. Mwah. See you soon.